Let's talk about patterning. So first, let's set up our original part here. Going to create a linear weld first, a radial weld second, and then another linear weld at the end here. I'll hit save. And so now what we want to do is utilize that same weld process, but on a different location on the table. And you have two options. You can either shift it, which would be moving those points over here, or you can pattern them such that you'll have your points over here as well as your points over here. So I'm going to select all these points that I want to pattern. I'm going to hit the shift icon. And then all we need to do now is select a new origin point. So I'm going to select the start of that first linear weld. Hit the blue button, hit apply, and then hit pattern points. It's going to prompt me to put an air move in the middle of those points as well. So let's put an air move in the middle here. And now I'm all done. So let's hit play. You'll see it do that first part that we programmed. And then it'll go to our air move. And now it'll do the second part. So I only had to program one part, and then I can pattern them to as many different locations on the system as I want.